So Lou, tell me a little bit about what distinguishes you guys from the competitors in the soft plastic jerkbait industry.
What we ended up doing is we came out with a soft plastic jerkbait that we've been using for years. And basically the difference is on most jerkbaits that are out on the water that are in the soft plastic market, they don't have what we have. It makes us really unique is the tail. The design of this bait, man, is hot. Most of your soft plastics out there kind of end right here. You'll see a lot that have a little split tail to them. There isn't a ton of action. You most likely, when you're jerking it back, sometimes they roll, but if they're running true, man, sometimes you'll get that walking the dog or a darting action. With our tail being longer and the little fin back here adds just amount of weight so that when we skip it across the water, and that's why we call it a skippy fish, when you skip it like you would a rock across the water, it'll skip 6, 8, 10 times across the water. So what it ends up doing is it creates a reaction type strike. It makes it look like there are multiple bait fish on the water so that when it skips across and then it dies right there, as you start jerking that back, this tail just spits like crazy. They can't resist, man. They just bang it. What's interesting about the bait is that's how we primarily designed it. We found through people using it all around the world is that they're using it on jig heads. For saltwater, man, especially here in the Florida market, our baby bass color, this color right here, is just absolutely awesome. It tears them up. For flounder, your flukes, your snook, your redfish, they love this, man. You can skip this thing back in the mangrove trees, they come out and start busting on it. So it's real hot. We have basically designed the 10 colors. We have two sizes, a 4-inch and a 6-inch. The 2 colors or the 10 colors that we have are primarily designed for bass, but they've been catching game fish all around the world on all the colors that we have. Incidentally, half the darn colors we have are just awesome for saltwater too. It's a cool bait, and you know what we did is we kind of create a triangular type of profile, almost like a boat. You got a flat top right here, and the way the profile is at the bottom here,
It's a little bit V.
yeah, it just curves through, and it cuts through that water right, and the reason why it's designed that way is it runs real true. You really won't have this bait rolling at all, and when you let it sit, that thing will just float down like that and that tail will flutter. You don't get it nose diving, but it looks exactly like an injured minnow in the water. So fish love it, man, drives them crazy. We also inject it with an anise oil. So it's got a little scent to mask the human scent. Bass fishermen, man, they'll drop shot our 4-inch ones, and then bass will come up there, they'll take a look at it, they're more finicky, they'll smell it, man, when they bite on that thing, they don't let go. So it's just been great for us, and it's been getting a lot of attention all over the world. We're just fired up about it.
That's awesome. I can't wait to try it out. And where can our audience go to learn more about this product?
If they'd like to get some information on Skippy Fish, we can order them online. You can go to our dealer locator page on our website. It's skippyfish.com. And if there's a dealer near you, stop by their store, patronize it, pick up some of these, whatever color you feel would work best in your market, or maybe just ask some advice what they're hitting on right now. If there isn't a store located in their area, if they go to skippyfish.com, they can order right online. We'll get it out to them.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, Lou, thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
walking
man.
us through your product. I think this is great, and you got something very, very unique.
Yeah.
Can't wait to try it out.
I love it, man, and so does everybody else. So go out there and get you some.
All right.
All right.